आनी कितें
काय
जाणटो
नाही
आनी कितें
दांडलो लोकांक लॉस दी न्हू यंग बॉय म्हणटा वयता पळय म्हणटले
अरे म्हाका पळयना हांवें कितें दिलं तो कितें करताय रे हांगा रे चायना
हय
looking at the chart, Babu sir now being at the head of R&D, premium industry has grown by 68%. Apache had 7 times the volume growth since its inception. It was one, now it's sold in more than 80 countries, and it has one product portfolio, it has become 7. What has been the contribution of R&D? How did you get inspiration to make more and more better and better Apaches? Can you please share with all of us about the journey, technology?
I think before I can speak of contribution of R&D, what probably I must share, because we are all bikers and it's all about feelings and emotions. It's so gratifying to see the kind of love that customers show us back on Apache. Whatever we do in R&D, so-called engineering, it's all for bikers to enjoy the freedom of motorcycling on the road. Every engineer in R&D feels so proud, happy to see the love for Apache, 2 decades of continuous growth, setting the roads on fire. That's what I probably feel as not contributing but taking it back to all of us.
Tell me, Babu sir, always in terms of technology, Apache has been leading this category, right? Tell us how it was the first to bring fuel injection, how it's first to bring ABS, and there was no such regulation in India. Could you tell us why at R&D we always want to make Apache a better and performance first brand?
Absolutely, because the core of TVS is always to be at the forefront in terms of exploring the technology horizon beyond what is done. And we don't chase technology for the sake of technology. We want to bring technology, democratize it for everyday riding and also for the fun. So Apache carries the flag and feather of having many firsts. Apache is the first brand in India to bring fuel injection, that is RTFI, and Apache is India's first bike with ABS when there was no regulation mandating it, because we always felt that motorcycling is about fun, motorcycling is also about safety. When there is guarantee and assurance, I can go with a free mind to explore fully. And Apache always stands for, it's not only pushing the edge in the racetrack, but also pushing the edge when it comes to what it stands to the customers.
Wonderful. Could you tell us about the new technologies you brought in Apache? RTDSC kind of a technology was first in the industry, which we developed with Bosch, or keyless entry into our recently launched 310.
I just love RTDSC as a biker. As an R&D guy, I was so happy that we could really take a big bouquet of technologies, bundle them together and deliver it on the bike in a way that it's not intrusive, it doesn't intrude into our natural riding, but it adds to all the fun, it helps so much, and it's such a love. I recall 2 incidents. When we were exploring ABS technology way back in 2007, we launched the Apache ABS 180 in 2011 February, but 2007 the R&D work started. Obviously in India there was no ABS technology, so I was roaming around in Europe looking for getting a technology partner with whom we can do it. And you know what, 2-3 well-known names, I don't want to name them here, the first response from them, ABS for India. Why? Does it make sense?
Yeah,
It's the same way when we look at cruise control. I'm sure all Indians would readily connect with how much anyone would laugh if we speak of cruise control in Indian roads. But the way we did, the intelligence which we built into the machine, when we brought the cruise control, we ourselves as bikers could enjoy a lot. I think what makes a big difference for Apache is the guys who put their engineering brain are first riders, then only they are engineers.
So I think we'll continue this conversation because this month is the 20th year of Apache's celebration. That's why we are here, and it coincides with the Moto Soul edition 5. I would like to invite my colleague Manu Saxena and talk about a little bit of design. Today there are more than 180 million young people, right? We have 900,000 plus internet users, right? We have 94% Indian, which are heroes in the Forbes list of richest people in the world. And India is the 3rd largest startup in the world. So why are we here? We are here to celebrate 20 years of Apache, right? A brand which is so iconic, right? It started in 2005, and 2025 we have more than 6.5 million happy customers. How many? 6.5 million. So big round of applause for the Apache customers across the world. So when we look at the motorcycle industry, right, of the last 5 years, if you look at the global trend, there's almost a 9.1% CAGR in the last 5 years, and in domestic industry, it's almost 10.4%. Now, if you look at the total industry of motorcycles, so what is happening? More than 26% of the contribution is coming from the premium set of motorcycles. So Indian roads are becoming bigger, highways are becoming faster, and thereby the motorcycles are even becoming faster, and the consumers are consuming these motorcycles at a very fast rate. In this world where this fastest growing segment is there, Apache is slowly and steadily growing its volumes. We have 6.5 million customers, 90 plus countries that we sell it from. There's a bit of a history to TVS, there's a bit of a history to Apache. Born in 2005, it was a 150cc bike, right? And in 2009, we introduced Apache 180, and 2016, we were the first company, first OEM in the world to have a woman factory racing team. And 2017, there was the birth of RR310. And 2019, RR310 won the INMRC. And 2020, Asia Road Championship we started for Apache. And 2023, we launched the RTR 310. And 2025, we are celebrating 20 years of Apache. Such a great iconic brand. I know most of you who are here have been riding Apache for a very long period of time. And Apache thereby has defined the premiumization in India. Apache has defined the racing in India. Apache has defined in a way, democratized the racing in India to a large extent. So if you look at our racing pedigree, we have been talking about racing from a very long period of time, because we have been racing since 1982. So 40 years plus racing pedigree. But very few of you know, when it comes to the rally, we are the first to win the Raid the Himalayas. We have more than 35 years of supremacy in the rally category. We have more than 20 plus national and international championships. We have 10 years plus participation in Dakar. And of course, 2 rally champions. We have great achievement as a brand from India and making a footprint for it globally. Now this philosophy of Apache is built by racers for the racers, and it's a race-bred technology. Everything you see in Apache is about performance, is about technology. Every time we have launched a new Apache, it has been better and better in terms of performance, technology, design. It has adapted to the evolving need of these youngsters across the globe. And in Apache, it's always performance first. If you look at the power to weight ratio of Apache, it is the best in that category, and it's number 1 in that category. Of course, it's very, very youth-centric. I told you India is growing, world is growing. I showed you how the segment is growing and how Apache thereby is dominating this segment. I would like to invite my colleague, Mr. Babu, who is the head of R&D. We are going to chat with him, and after that with Mr. Manu Saxena about how did this Apache come up, and what we are going to launch today in this category is yet another milestone for us